When they say $29,500 for personal property, there are still some underlying coverages for certain things, right? So for jewelry, silverware, fine china, firearms, there are underlying coverage. What does that mean? So if I have a $29,500 total personal property coverage, my underlying jewelry limit might be $1,500. And that means that the insurance policy is not going to pay for any jewelry theft or loss or damage more than $1,500. And some policies even have a further restriction which says, we will cover up to $1,500 for this policy of jewelry, but no one piece can be more than $1,000. What does that mean? What do I have to do to get my ring covered? What do I have to do to get my jewelry properly covered? This is why we say that for those high value items, they need to be specifically scheduled or named on the policy. So if I have a $5,000 engagement ring, if I have a $15,000 engagement ring, whatever the case might be, I need to get a professional appraisal of that piece. The appraisals that insurance companies require have to be 5 years or newer to evaluate the value of that in today's market. And look, appraisals matter because you might get something appraised today, and then in 3 years from now, the cost of gold or precious metals or diamonds, etc., might be higher. The insurance company cares what the value of that piece is in case there's a loss or theft of that piece. They need to know how much they're going to have to be liable for to replace that item with like, kind, and quality.